The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia marks a modern revival of one of VW's most iconic and stylish coupes. Originally produced between 1955 and 1974, the Karmann Ghia blended the engineering of the Volkswagen Beetle with Italian-inspired design by Carrozzeria Ghia and hand-built craftsmanship by Karmann. For 2025, Volkswagen reimagines this classic for a new era, incorporating cutting-edge technology, electric performance, and refined aesthetics, all while paying tribute to the elegance of the original. From the outside, the 2025 Karmann Ghia immediately distinguishes itself with a sleek, low-slung silhouette that echoes its vintage predecessor. Smooth curves, rounded fenders, and minimalist chrome accents retain the retro flair, but modern updates bring it firmly into the future. The front fascia features slim LED headlights with a signature daytime running light design that outlines the car's rounded nose. Aerodynamic efficiency is subtly built into the design, with retractable door handles and flush glass panels. The coupe's gently sloping roofline flows seamlessly into the rear, where full-width taillights give it a futuristic stance. Available in a variety of vibrant heritage colors such as glacier blue, carmine red, and racing green, the new Karmann Ghia appeals to both nostalgic collectors and contemporary enthusiasts. Underneath its stylish exterior, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is built on Volkswagen's MEB platform, which supports a fully electric drivetrain. This platform also underpins the ID lineup, giving the Karmann Ghia proven electric performance and practicality. Power comes from a single, rear-mounted electric motor delivering 220 horsepower, with an optional dual-motor all-wheel drive variant producing up to 300 horsepower. Acceleration is brisk, with the base model reaching 0 to 60 mph in under 6.5 seconds, while the AWD variant cuts that closer to 5 seconds. The low center of gravity and tight suspension tuning give the car a sporty and engaging drive, suitable for winding roads and spirited cruising. A 77 kWh battery pack provides a driving range of approximately 300 miles on a single charge, with support for fast charging up to 175 kW, allowing 10% to 80% recharge in just under 30 minutes. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Karmann Ghia strikes a balance between retro charm and modern innovation. The dashboard is clean and minimalist, echoing the simplicity of the original, but now features a curved OLED display that integrates both infotainment and digital gauges. A mix of premium materials, such as brushed aluminum, soft-touch leatherette, and wood veneer trim enhances the upscale vibe. The compact 2+2 seating layout provides ample room for front passengers, while the rear seats are best suited for occasional use or extra storage. Ambient lighting, wireless phone charging, a premium Harman Kardon audio system, and Volkswagen's latest voice-activated assistant contribute to a high-tech, comfortable environment. The panoramic sunroof and frameless windows add to the coupe's light, airy feel. Pricing for the 2025 Karmann Ghia starts around $42,000 for the base rear-wheel drive model, making it a competitive choice in the growing market of stylish EV coupes.
The dual-motor AWD version begins at approximately $49,000, with fully loaded versions reaching into the low $50,000s depending on packages and optional upgrades. Volkswagen includes its standard 4-year 50,000-mile warranty and offers attractive
lease and financing plans, especially aimed at customers looking to make the transition to electric vehicles. Overall, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia successfully bridges the past and the future. It captures the spirit of the original with beautiful flowing lines and unmistakable character, while delivering the benefits of an electric platform, zero emissions, instant torque, and smart technology. For those who appreciate automotive heritage but demand contemporary performance and convenience, the new Karmann Ghia delivers a unique and compelling option in the EV market. It's more than a car, it's a statement of style, nostalgia, and innovation.